Here, forgotten fan blades begin an unexpected second life. Now, discarded aluminum gives way to renewed industrial purpose. Across the yard, careful separation begins before recycling even starts.
Confirmed cast alloy, mark it. Beneath the dullness, a simple scan reveals the exact alloy grade.
Within minutes, dozens of discarded blades become one organized shipment.
Under gray skies, the day's collection nears its first destination.
Now secured, this scrap aluminum begins its short trip to the plant. Across this decal, an entire recycling promise begins its journey. Beyond the yard, industrial rooftops begin rising on the horizon. Deep within this plant, old fan blades meet the heat of transformation.
Just ahead, every incoming load faces its first checkpoint.
Scrap aluminum, Bay 4, go ahead.
In this yard, every shipment is logged before it goes further.
Across these grounds, mountains of scrap await their transformation.
Straight back, hold there. Soon, this load meets the machines that will reshape it entirely.
Overhead, mechanical clamps now lift what human arms once carried. Within seconds, an entire truckload finds its place inside the plant.
Beyond these doors, the true recycling process is about to begin.
Batch logged, alloy grade confirmed.
Further inside, every ton is classified before processing begins.
Minutes later, old fan blades begin their final approach to processing. Just ahead, powerful blades wait to reduce aluminum to raw fragments.
Here, industrial scale transforms old aluminum into something entirely new.
Now, every worker entering carries responsibility for what's ahead.
Morning, Doctor.
Inside, quality begins long before any aluminum reaches the furnace.
Beneath every certificate lies years of testing and strict standards.
At this stage, protective gear becomes essential before the heat begins.
Under this gear, workers prepare to face temperatures beyond imagination.
Across the floor, the true transformation of scrap aluminum now begins. Deep within this hall, dozens of stages await the old fan blades.
Line 1, starting now. Within seconds, the entire line responds to a single confirmation.
Beyond the glass, old aluminum is about to meet its end.
Discarded fan blades are torn apart in a single violent motion.
Now, plastic and aluminum are pulled apart in an instant.
Beneath careful pulses, only pure aluminum continues its journey forward. Across the table, a final human check confirms the metal's purity. Just ahead, water strips away the last traces of years of oxidation.
Under this scan, even trace impurities would stop the entire batch. Approved for melt.
Now, cleaned aluminum fragments are positioned for their fiery transformation. Beneath this hook, raw aluminum prepares to meet extreme heat.
Charging furnace now.
Within seconds, mechanical precision positions aluminum above the flames.
Beyond the glass, old fan blades begin their glowing rebirth. Here, discarded fan blades return to their original liquid form. Now, extreme heat burns away every trace of years of oxidation. Moments later, liquid aluminum begins its carefully controlled release.
Temperature stable, tapping complete.
Inside this ladle, an entire batch of aluminum awaits its new shape.
Beneath this ladle, molten aluminum prepares to take its next form. Across this mold, liquid aluminum begins solidifying into a round billet. Beyond extraction, careful cooling now shapes the aluminum's final strength.
Within minutes, the glow fades as strength quietly sets in.
Across the hall, dozens of billets move in constant, quiet rhythm.
Deep inside this machine, raw aluminum begins taking a completely new shape. Here, a rough billet begins revealing the shape of a wheel. Now, precision cutting reveals the wheel's shape one pass at a time. Just ahead, each spoke channel is cut to an exact, repeatable depth. Across this program, symmetry is guaranteed down to the micron.
Dimensions confirmed, on spec. Beneath every measurement, consistency defines a reliable finished rim.
Within these holes, a rim gains its exact fit for the road ahead. Beyond this rack, individual rims await their final inspection.
Ahead, the recycled aluminum nears its final commercial form. Across this hall, every rim converges toward one final process.
Invisible sensors now guide what human hands once measured.
Now, sensors catch what human eyes could never measure precisely. Beneath this screen, quality checks happen faster than the eye can follow.
Just ahead, automation now carries weight once lifted by hand.
Across the floor, human oversight still guides every automated decision.
Right on schedule.
Within this tank, an invisible layer now protects the rim for decades. Beneath every number, precision quietly protects the rim's final quality. Ahead, dozens of individual rims now merge into one final line. Beyond this scanner, every rim's full history stays permanently recorded.
Across this entire floor, machine and human judgment move as one. Here, careful coating gives every rim its final signature look. Now, coverage quality becomes the final measure of a properly finished rim. Balance confirmed. Beneath this check lies the exact balance every driver depends on.
Just ahead, heat locks the coating permanently into place. Within seconds, heat transforms powder into a permanent finish.
Across the floor, every rim must match a carefully planned finish.
Beyond these doors, one final check confirms the rim's true readiness.
Now, even the final coating must meet the same strict quality standard. Beneath this glossy finish, precision timing has shaped every layer. Within this rim, an entire recycling journey finally takes visible form.
Here, every finished rim faces one final and thorough examination.
Visual inspection catches what automated sensors might still miss. Beneath this pressure, a rim proves it can withstand real-world driving. Within these numbers, an entire rim earns or loses its approval.
Rim approved, release to packaging.
Beyond this signature, the rim is finally cleared for the world.
Inside this test, even a slight imbalance would fail the entire batch.
Beneath every checkmark, global standards quietly shape recycled aluminum.
Across these records, decades of consistency remain fully searchable in seconds.
Beyond this threshold, approved rims move toward their final presentation. Now, each rim nears the final step of its long transformation. Each rim receives protection for its journey ahead.
Now, a careful wrap ensures the rim arrives exactly as finished. Just ahead, every label carries the full story of its origin. Beneath this small label lies the entire journey we just witnessed. Within seconds, individual rims become part of a larger shipment.
Across this pallet, an entire day's recycling stands ready for travel. Beyond this room, careful organization ensures nothing is ever misplaced.
Last pallet, secure it.
Just ahead, the finished rims begin their final journey outward.
And that's exactly how old fan blades become brand new CNC car rims.